Hi, this is me, the Yorkie Queen, and this is how to make a paper airplane. Okay, so it doesn't matter really like what size or shape paper it is. So like this is like printer paper, I think. I don't know. So yeah, that's just the paper you need. So what you do first step is fold it in half. Doesn't have to be perfect. Well, but the more perfect it is, the better. So like, that's one of the hard parts. So just fold it. Now, open it. So then, you do this. And depending on, so if you want it to go really far, but look really cool, this is a good way to do it. Look, you bend it one time, then you do the same with the other side. Then do it again. Bend. I hate it when that happens. And it's okay, it's gonna overlap the other one, and it's gonna look kind of bad, but not gonna look bad, but it might look kind of weird. See, like that. You could try to fix it, but it's not gonna work that well. I mean, the airplane will. But when you try to fix it, it might not work when you fix it. It might not. Fixing it might not work. But so now since you folded it in half, it's much easier. Try to not mess it up. Then you just fold it in half. Then pull up the wing, do that. Do the same with the other side. And then, voila. And then you could like staple that or tape it. You could add more things to it, but that's how you make a paper airplane. Easy. Boop.